Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below. All good. Students, in this video we will be discussing important current affairs for books and authors for May month. Let's start. The first question is, name the author of the book The Bench, The Bar and The Bazaar. Along with, this is the first book. Second book, The Lawful and the Awful. Correct? So they were released by Amit Shah, our Home Minister, at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi. Who is the author of these two books? Right option, Tushar Mehta. Next, the Kavindra Gupta, Governor of Himachal Pradesh, officially released the Dash Dictionary authored by late Chandan Negi. So, Kavindra Gupta, Governor of Himachal Pradesh, has officially released the Dogri Punjabi Dictionary authored by late Chandan Negi. Next, who is the author of the Leadership and Memoir style book titled Better Never Stops? It was launched in May based on over 30 years of experience in the banking and financial service sector. Right option, Shyam Srinivasan. Next, identify the author of the book The Library Man of India, the story of P.N. Panikkar, released by Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan in May 2026. Right option, P.P. Sathyan. Next, name the novel authored by Niranjan Dev Sharma that was released by Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu in May 2026. Right option, Bazaar. The novel was published by Aadhar Prakashan Private Limited. Next, in May, former Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu and former Prime Minister H.D. Dev Gowda launched the book titled Apnapan Narendra Modi Sang Mere Anubhav. So, who authored this book? That is Apnapan Narendra Modi Sang Mere Anubhav. This book was authored by Shivraj Singh Chauhan, and former Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu ji has released this book along with former Prime Minister H.D. Dev Gowda. Next, who authored the book titled India's Olympic Gold, Hockey Triumph at Amsterdam, released by Indian Olympic Association President P.T. Usha and Hockey India President Dr. Dilip Turkey. So, who authored this book? This book was authored by K. Arumugam. Right? Next, mention the book released in May by former Federal Bank Chief Executive Officer Shyam Srinivasan on the leadership insights from the real life, corporate and sports experience. Mention the book. The book is Better Never Stops, Leadership Insights from the Life's Unscripted Moments. So these were your important current affairs for books and author students. Now let's move to the revision part. It will be a quick revision. Regarding the Women and Men in India 25, selected indicators and data report released by the Ministry of Statistics and Implementation. Among the following, all the three options are rightly mentioned. India's sex ratio at birth improved from 904 to 917. Then Arunachal Pradesh recorded the highest sex ratio with 1085 females per 1000 males as of 2023, and gross enrollment ratio in higher education stood at 30.2 for females and 28.9 for males. Next, mark the correct statement regarding the Panchayat Advancement Index 2.0 launched by the Ministry of Panchayati Raj in April for FY24. So mark the correct option here. If we see among the following, here all option A and option B are right, C is wrongly mentioned. So A and B are our answer. C is saying that several panchayats were placed under achiever category with scores above 90. Right? No. Here what will be the correct option? A and B will be the right option. Next, identify the correct statement regarding the World Migration Report released by the International Organization for Migration in May 2026. So among the following, all the three options are rightly mentioned. Next, S&P Global Market Intelligence and CRISIL, they have recently released India's GDP forecast for FY27 in the report India Forward Emerging Perspectives released in May. What is the revised GDP growth forecast for India for FY27? So it is revised forecast is 6.6%. Next, identify the correct statements regarding NCRB's Crime in India 2024 report. So here all the three options are rightly mentioned. As per the data, India recorded 58.86 lakh cognizable crimes in 2024, marking a 6% decline compared to 62.41 cases in 2023. Next, mark the correct statement regarding the National Institute for Transforming India, that is Niti Aayog's report on school education in India 24-25. So give me the correct options. A and C are right, B is wrong. B is saying Jharkhand achieved 1% primary school dropout rate in 24-25, a significant improvement for 6.41% in 2014-15. So Jharkhand achieved a 0% primary dropout rate. So take a note, important. Then next is State Bank of India. They have released their latest Eco-Rap research report, and as per the report, India's real GDP is projected around 7.2% in the fourth quarter of FY26. Next, mark the correct statement regarding the periodic labor force survey quarterly bulletin released in May by the National Statistics Office under the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. So we have to give the incorrect option. A is right, C is right, B is wrong, which is our answer. It is saying that the urban unemployment rate for the person aged 15 years and above declined to 6.4%. No, it declined to not 6.4 but 6.6%. Next, mark the correct statement regarding the United Nations Global Forest Goals report that was released during the 21st session of the United Nations Forum on Forests that was held in New York, USA. So among the following, all the three options are rightly mentioned. Next, what is the revised GDP growth forecast for India for FY27 as projected by Morgan Stanley in their its mid-year outlook released in May 2026? It is 6.7%. Then, according to World Economic Situation and Prospectus report released by UNDESA, what is the GDP growth forecast for India? It is 6.4%. Then next is identify the credit rating agency that has revised India's GDP growth forecast to 6.2% for FY27. It is ICRA. I repeat, it is ICRA, that is Investment Information and Credit Rating Agency of India Limited. Option 1 is right. Then next, identify the organization